Hey folks, Randy here, Dulin Cut Trim. I had a quick tip I wanted to pass on to you guys while I'm working on paperwork and following up on quotes. It's a little trick I use when I get contacted for one-time services. For my business, I never go on anybody's property unless I have a signed service agreement from them. And so what I'll actually do when somebody contacts me for a one-time service is I'll let them know, hey, we actually don't do one-time service contracts. What we do offer though is an as-needed service contract. And so what I have them do is I send them a service agreement saying that we will service their property as requested by the customer via email for a service taking place on such and such date, because that's what they requested. And they're always fine with that, no problem, and they accept the service agreement. And there are some customers that we never hear from again. They wanted a one-time service, and that's what they got. However, the majority of people that sign that as-needed agreement, they end up using us again. And because they know all they have to do is just shoot me an email, and we'll come out there. When things get hot or when they just don't get around to it, instead of trying to remember who was that company, or having to look up a new company or figure something else out, they're able to just shoot us an email and we're able to show up and service their property. So I've got several of these as requested agreements on our accounts, and like I said, the majority of them have already called us back to come a second time. So it's just a little tip, a little way for you to perhaps be able to service more regularly or more often properties that originally are one-time service properties. I've got one person that's contacted us for a one-time service. We're not even 2 months into the season. I've already serviced her property 4 times. So, but if we didn't have that agreement, there's no guarantee that would have happened. So it's just a little tip. Hope it helps. Implement it in your business. I hope, maybe it'll help you out, man. So as Randy with Dulin Cut Trim, have a good one.